In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Won Deals in Pipedrive. If you're tracking sales performance or preparing a quick report, seeing all your Won Deals in one place is essential. Pipedrive makes this simple with a built-in filter, and I'll walk you through how to get there and what to look for step by step. Start from your Pipedrive homepage or dashboard. Make sure you're logged in and everything is loaded so your sidebar and top navigation are visible. From here, you'll head straight to the Deals section. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the icon with the $sign. That's the shortcut to your deals. Click it, and Pipedrive will open your pipeline or list view, depending on how you last left it. At the top of the Deals page, you'll see a toolbar with options to change views, search, and narrow down what's displayed. Focus on the filter drop-down. This control determines which subset of deals you're viewing, so it's the fastest way to jump to the outcomes you care about. Click the filter drop-down to open the list of available filters. From the available options, choose All Won Deals. As soon as you select it, your view will refresh to show only deals that have reached the won stage. You should now see a clean list or board of confirmed wins, complete with details like deal titles, values, owners, and closing dates, depending on your layout. If you're in the pipeline view, look for the Won column. If you're in the list view, you'll typically see a green Won status next to each item. Take a moment to scan the results. This is a great place to confirm totals, review recent successes, or spot patterns in the types of deals you're closing. If your screen looks empty, double-check that the filter is set to All Won Deals and that you're in the correct pipeline. Company-wide filters or permissions can also affect what appears, so if you don't see what you expect, you might need access to other users' deals before they'll show up here. For quick analysis, you can sort your list by value or closing date using the column headers in List View, or switch between board and list views to match how you prefer to review data. To keep this view handy, consider bookmarking the page in your browser so you can return to it in a single click during weekly reviews or reporting. And that's it. You've navigated to Deals, opened the filter menu, and selected All Won Deals to see your closed won outcomes at a glance. Thanks for watching and happy selling.